In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync audio with video in OBS Studio. Whether you're streaming or recording, having your audio and video perfectly aligned is crucial to offering a seamless experience for your audience. So let's dive right in and get started on how you can achieve that perfect sync. First, you need to open up OBS Studio on your computer. OBS Studio is a highly popular, free, and open source software for video recording and live streaming. It's favored for its flexibility and power, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily download it from the OBS website. Once you have OBS Studio up and running, we'll move on to the next step. Now take a look at the bottom of the screen and you should see the audio mixer. This area controls all the different audio inputs you're utilizing, like your microphone or desktop audio, making it a pivotal part of the OBS setup process. We've got to pay attention here because this is where we'll be optimizing and syncing our audio. In the audio mixer, you'll notice 3 vertical dots next to your audio sources. Click on these 3 dots. This opens up a list of advanced settings specifically related to your audio setup. What we're interested in today is called Advanced Audio Properties. So go ahead and click on Advanced Audio Properties from that list. In the Advanced Audio Properties panel, you'll find various settings and adjustments linked to each of your audio sources. What you want to focus on here is something termed Sync Offset. This parameter controls the amount of delay applied to your audio inputs in milliseconds, allowing you to align your audio precisely with your video feed. Adjusting this setting lets you counteract any delays that might occur due to network congestion or other factors. Now, to find the happy balance, you may need to experiment a bit. Start by inputting a number into the Sync Offset field. A positive number delays the audio, while a negative number will advance it. For example, if you input 200, you're delaying your audio by 200 milliseconds to pull it back into sync with the video. You'll want to test the audio and video several times, making minor adjustments to your sync offset until everything is perfectly aligned. And there you have it. You've now successfully synchronized your audio with your video in OBS Studio. By following these steps, you ensure that your audio playback is crisp and clear, matching up perfectly with your video, whether you're streaming games, hosting a webinar, or just recording a simple tutorial. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy streaming.